Hello, what's up everyone? This is Mr. Alex and welcome to Think Coffee. Today, we're going to try Brewing specialty coffee. Then we're going to meet the guy behind on it. What's your name, sir?
Man, how are you? My name is Becky from South Africa. Today I'll brew the V60 for you. I have my favorite ratio. I know. You know what is it? You know my favorite ratio?
He is prepared.
We'll have it now.
He is waiting for me.
My favorite ratio is 1:11. I love that ratio.
1:11.
1:11.
You know what I really want, eh?
But now you see, I would like to brew my coffee. There's something called blooming or disgusting. So now blooming is all about when you release the gases from the whatever the coffee you're making, so you can create also have the perfect flavor of the coffee. Okay. So my blooming will be like 25 to 30 seconds. Now I'll start. After blooming from 50 seconds, I'll pour my coffee until 150. Then I rest for like 20 minutes. You know why?
Yeah.
Because I need to allow my V60 to brew. Because if I keep on pouring throughout, it will be watery.
Yeah.
So I have to have at least time to allow it to brew. So I'll be now wait like until 1 minute 20 seconds.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
20 seconds, yes. So that ratio I used to 1:11. So it's like it's 18 grams of coffee.
Yeah.
And then 200 mils of water.
Oh.
Yes.
Where did you learn this one? How many years you've been a barista?
Man, I've been being a barista for almost like 7 years.
7 years?
Yes, 7 years.
On
Because I started my barista career, especially when I was very young, like 7 years old.
oh, nice.
They used to drink coffee at home, but the kids were allowed to drink tea. But me, no, I drink real
want
coffee.
coffee.
Of course.
Maybe you were when you were born. You want your
I
mother
wanted coffee. Yes, before one day one day of birth, I need coffee. You know. So now I allow my V60 to brew until 2 minutes, 50 seconds, or 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Then we'll be ready to be served. Yes. So what I'm looking for in my cup of V60, I need a balanced coffee. I don't need any aftertaste.
Yeah.
I need like clean balanced cup of coffee. So that's why I choose my ratio 1:11. It's my perfect ratio.
So what the beans did you use for this one?
I chose the nice beans for you, Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Nino, yes.
Okay.
So this is a washed process.
Natural process.
Washed.
Oh, wash process.
Washed process.
The good thing with this one, I think Costa Rica, they have usually of Costa Rica beans, they have chocolatey taste.
Yes, but most of them they have like chocolate taste and also the combination of fruity, complex of fruity and chocolate. Yeah. So V60 is your favorite?
Yes, actually V60 is one of my favorite beans. Brewing method.
Why is it one of your
Because it's like what you've said, it's balanced. Yeah.
Really? No aftertaste?
Yes, it's not watery because mostly of, for example, Chemex, sometimes Chemex is getting watery.
Yes, because of the
Higher, filter is too thick and then the force
Also, yes. This is also my favorite drink. I love it. I always try different ratios because I need to have different ratios, especially for customers that come and say, I need like weak. Some they say, okay.
I think it's too natural for Africans to be into a coffee because
because it's like this is like
one of your culture.
Yeah, it's coming with the culture. It's like natural. It's in like in your veins, you know.
Yeah,
something
it's like already in
yeah. So it's easy for us to have passion in coffee.
Yes.
Because it's like this is our culture.
That's the number one thing.
Yeah.
If you have passion about coffee, then it will be easy to you.
It's easy.
Yeah.
If you have passion of something, then you can do it good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our passion. Me and you also. And you love coffee.
Because this is my good friend in here.
Thanks, man.
I'm not being biased on this shop, but definitely come to this shop, then you will experience a coffee that you never experienced before.
Sure. So now you can smell the aromas.
Aroma is too strong.
Yeah.
It's not like other beans that it's too pale.
Yeah, but
Sometimes,
already you know what you're going to have. When you smell these aromas, you already know, oh, okay, I'm going to have a perfect cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Yes, because if you brew the coffee then you don't have aromas, then you don't know exactly what you're going to have. So this is how it is.
So let's try it.
Let's go through coffee tasting. This is your coffee. So we have like principles or rules of coffee tasting. The first rule is to smell.
Yes.
So when you smell your coffee, you need to get the aromas.
Yes. What kind of aroma? Even it's like floral or something.
You get the aroma, then after that you know.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Because even on the smell, you can say if the beans that they use it's natural or fully washed.
Yes, natural.
Even on the
So we have another second step, which is called slap. Slap is like when you like this.
Yes.
So we slap the coffee. We need to get the acidity of the coffee.
Yeah. What kind of like flavors of fruitiness or something.
Yes. Now we have to take like a sip for the mouthfeel of body. Some they call it body. Wow. Wow. I told you.
I will say it to you guys. I'm not getting biased because I'm working in here, but you can taste a good cup of coffee if you just visit in here.
Yeah, that is the best cup of coffee.
I'm going to finish this one, brother.
No, this is mine.
I'm going to take it home.
No. This is mine. I'll give you this. And
And then because on my videos, I always ask the barista, what is a specialty coffee for you?
I'm telling you about this. This is becoming like a conversation. It's like a long conversation because people they don't know what is the specialty coffee. But anyway, the specialty coffee. Remember, we have to have specialty baristas that they can love coffee, that can respect the farmers. So but in reality, the specialty coffee is whereby the company called specialty coffee, they buy higher graded beans, which is like 80% to 100% score. So then that's why they have to call them specialty coffee, because they save expensive things, higher graded beans. So that's why it's called specialty coffee. But you need specialty barista to work in a specialty coffee. You cannot just anyone can
even you have a good beans,
give beans.
then
You have
you don't have a specialty barista.
You are not.
You can.
No, we are not special coffee. No, because it's like combination of two things.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why it's really important people to understand about the specialty coffee.
Yes.
Because it's not about heavy beans, expensive beans,
Yeah.
but you don't have passionate people to work in a specialty
Yes.
coffee. So
It's not only about the quality, it's about the knowledge.
the knowledge,
the one
passion,
who's going to make it.
respect
Yes.
for the farmers. These beans is too expensive, you have to respect it. Every cup counts. There has to be best cup of coffee.
To be honest, brother,
Yeah.
that is the best explanation that I have on what is
Yeah.
specialty coffee. It is.
Really? Because
Yes.
there's a lot of confusion. People are confused. What is specialty coffee?
So, brother, this is a thing. Respect coffee, respect the farmers.
These guys, we are lucky. They call us like special people because as baristas, there's a lot of
We
hard
appreciate
work.
everything that they do.
Yeah, because there's a lot of hard work there.
Yeah.
But now for us, we are special because only the hard work is done.
Yeah.
So we have to respect every cup of coffee that
Yes.
we make.
We need
for our
to-
customers.
To give
Yeah.
all our best to
Yeah.
make a good cup of
Yes,
coffee
because there's a lot of
their
work.
effort
Effort
will
that
be
is
wasted.
Yeah.
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 Thank you very much, brother. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you, man. Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Doreen and I work from Rain. I invite all of you guys who are watching me to come and join us and enjoy the best coffee in Abu Dhabi. This is a specialty coffee and we really have a good service plus good baristas. I know you will enjoy our coffee. Thank you so much.